Unity Resources Randomized Encryption Solution. Compared to Assetbundle, Unity resources are great for rapid prototype development because of their simplicity and ease of use, and there are still a lot of games that use this type of resources. Unity resources resource files are packaged and exist as a file named with a hash value under assets bin data path, as shown in the following figure. JikGuard has conducted an in-depth analysis of the Unity resources resource loading principle, found the core point of encryption and decryption, and constructed a solution and algorithm for random encryption of resources. The original resources file, in binary, is shown below, and you can see a lot of information about the version of the resources. After JikGuard encrypted resources, no information can be seen, and the content of the file is completely different after each encryption, as shown in the figure below. Then use Asset Studio to parse the resources and compare the effect before and after encryption. First of all, look at the unencrypted resource file. Use Asset Studio click Load File to load the resource. After loading, the parsing results are shown in the following two charts. We can see that Asset Studio parses out a lot of information. The following figure shows the result of using Asset Studio to load the encrypted resources resource file with JikGuard. This picture shows Asset Studio can't recognize JikGuard encrypted resources. In addition, JikGuard also provides high-strength Assetbundle encryption, global metadata encryption, SO shelling and other features. Can be almost all the files related to the game in the Unity game package to do randomized encryption processing, support for Android, iOS, Windows multi-platform.